Welcome to another Saturday, coming off the end of the week after Labor Day Saturday. And you don't know what Saturday is. Traditionally, Saturday is a soup day and a market day. Despite you cook soup anytime you want to cook it, and you go market anytime you want to go. But the traditional market day is a Saturday and soup day is normally a Sunday. How wanna do? Who do much work on the yard yesterday? Cause you not really go work for people like who not give a charity work in our community service, You can't just get up and know say boy, when they have something for do and tell you say boy, I never do this Christmas, I never do this Easter, say it's a Labor Day. I just go labor around my yard. Well, me never labor around my yard, people. But if you get up very early, if you go see if any major project where me never hear of a go on, me never really get up early. But when me get up in the little after 12, pedestrian crossing would normally take part in and, help paint up part of it and thing. When me go them did almost have done the first one down by the little basic school, which I want to see me go watch the other channel down and me little start me go buy me little ground provision and seasoning. Me did end up get for video me. I draw a little paintbrush this up on the last part. And when me go up on the next top one now, up at the Seaward School, me draw a couple brush up this and do little clippings and the little people them, the woman them, woman, 3 women. I take up the rebel them and sitting where come from over the Silver Center and I load up in the truck where the man them in the truck. I take the things and while the woman them there go and put them in. I do a little video and do a little Samantha, me see a comment about what a man loves shrimp. It's true, I always have a shrimp in the fridge. As me say, easy to go, quick and fast. You can just mix up something, quick up something. Instead of you go draw for one dry biscuit or one dry bun. Or sometimes you don't really want no rice or no heavy food. But the shrimp, you can do a little shrimp pasta. You can steam little shrimp with little crackers, any different way. And then at the same time, it's another way of showing people, because majority people, Jamaica, them say ackee and saltfish are the national dish. But ackee and saltfish shouldn't be the national dish. Reason being, ackee is something we bear in a season. Chicken should be Jamaican national dish. Because everywhere you got chicken cooking in a household, you have to say. Every restaurant you go, you hear chicken. So that should have been the national dish. You understand? So most people cook chicken one of 3 ways. Fried chicken, curry chicken, or stew chicken. Very few people bake chicken, roast chicken, or jerk chicken. More than the people that do jerk chicken. And chicken can do this in so many different ways. Despite you love chicken, you don't have to do chicken the one way every time. So them little video with all them shrimp video now, it's a show you say you can get creative. Because the same way how me create if you do the shrimp and something and do the different ways how the shrimp can be done. Just the same way you can just think out of the box, or you can just try something and it work and cook the chicken a different way. Despite a chicken you cook, but it cook with a different way where you get a different taste. So Samantha, me say you about me love shrimp. So when you look at ital what you say eat meat. Just black it out and say you never seen a shrimp in there and taste it. Anyway, people, so that's what I do for my Labor Day. But anyway, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend. Oh, the video I gonna drop tomorrow evening. Yeah, about 3 o'clock I gonna drop the video. So I should wait till Sunday, go and look video for Sunday evening. But depends. Me gonna know if I get it for Sunday evening or tomorrow. I will see. Because I won't know again. But I plan to drop it tomorrow. So if I know tomorrow or Sunday, I'm going to it as a Sunday evening vlog, Labor Day, community service, and me cook some file roast shrimp, pan open fire, coconut milk, my Irish, my pumpkin, I don't know, I now left out my ripe plant, now my okra, file roast shrimp, pan open fire in coconut milk. So you can stay tuned. A combined video after me done the little community service. I come home, come look after my lunch. And that was my lunch. Alright? So I do. When I look out for the video, either tomorrow or Sunday, I might drop it Sunday evening. Look out for it and support the video them on the channel, man. Life is a Mission TV. Support the video them and watch the ads them. You understand? Alright. So that is it. Follow me on Life is a Mission if you have not yet. Follow me on that channel on YouTube, Life is a Mission TV. Follow me on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. And please remember to watch the ads on both channels. And remember, the tumblers are still over there. On the website, the t-shirts, the caps. Support the merch and charms and trends that shop. Alright? The more you support the merch, is the more you give me the privilege to assist and adapt even one more person upon the two women adapt already. You understand? Because the profit from it, look at YouTube money, sometimes I look at personal money, and as I say, I look at 18 now and again. When them have it, them send it, plus some random people will send. Yes, it's not a everyday thing, and I'm not running a charity. So if you're going to send something, think it's a charity, no, keep it. When you give me, I use the gift to give back to the needy. Alright? So if you're going to send it, I said, it's different, you know, if you go out there and see a video someone, giving them something, and you wish to send something for that person, I will accept it and turn it over and do what you say if you do. But don't send me nothing and think you send me something and a charity me if you do it. No. If me assist somebody, you feel like you want to send them a bag of groceries next month, or you feel like you want to adapt that person, fine. And at the same time, if that person have somebody who is responsible, I will make you go straight to that person. If not, and I have to do it, I will do it at home. Block them blessing. Alright? Because since yesterday I was watching a channel with a lady who go around and give away a little care package, like a little juice, little bread to these little homeless and people would call mad on the street, you know, after 3 years and all about. And there's one such gentleman that she always a give, and somebody see that gentleman who done a lot for them where them kids is concerned back then, and never know that this gentleman fall at hard times. How she get to find out? Because of the person who is giving him the care package. So sometimes when we come out here and we have video, we not do it for clout. We not do it for say boy we look views, or we look nothing for teeth or nothing. Some of we do it out of our heart. Some might do it for that, yes, and them say they good have to suffer for the bad one, bad have to spoil the whole bunch. But sometimes it's not just clout. We do it for them things. We do it so we can get further help for these persons. Even just like this man, the woman see man said this gentleman was a gentleman who used to help our son them when them go to school, college or whatsoever, with them school work, because it's like the man did have some headpiece, and most of you find them man they always end up certain way, you know. And right now she open her place to the man and take him off of the street. I don't know if she have foreign and give me her place. So she have one place and she put him in there for stay, so now him off the street. He might get him little things them and whatsoever. Now them try to look at work for him when he can get himself stable, you know, when he can earn him own money. What caused it? The woman we are giving the care package makes somebody could have seen when know him and never know him fall for hard times. So sometimes when you do these things, it's just for, you know, get people if you can assist people, give a helping hand if you can to the needy, not the greedy. So when we do these things, it helps. But most people just feel like so we are doing it for chase cloud, because we have video, I give somebody something. No, that's not it. Anyway, people, I come across a video on a channel. When I scroll and see, I never realize I did subscribe to this channel. I must something in this channel that bring interested before when I see and like. But I gotta do a video also with Master, but I carry this little video. The channel is DJ Real Talk. It's a young channel, because it does have 753 subscribers. It has not yet reached 1,000 subscribers yet. I don't know, we're not out here for hold long nobody. But I'm gonna play a insert from him, courtesy of theme video, theme channel. So if you don't want to go over there and go see anything interesting, and if you know, I can't tell you to subscribe, but I introduce you to the channel. DJ Real Talk. Yeah. If you don't want to go over there, go scroll and see if it can be interested to one and you don't want to subscribe, you can go subscribe. DJ Real Talk. The man, I buck up that video here and I tell you, I listen it. Yeah, me don't know if it's a foreigner or discarded his voice, or me don't know if I saw him speak or what. But the man speaks so, the person speaks so calm, intelligent. But me want to listen to the message. Don't caught up in how the man speak. Listen to the message where the man say towards Tina, Lorraine and Marcia. How them behave towards Dana. I want to listen. It's like a 4 minutes video. Then me get into the video with Marcia. I want to listen. Make sure turn away the fan. I want to listen. You know, who not listen or hear yet, listen. The channel is DJ Real Talk.
And serious concerns. Let's just imagine something for a moment. What if Auntie Donna decides to leave social media completely? No more lives, no more charity, no more content. What would happen to people like Lorraine Campbell, Marcia Campbell, and Tina Chin? Especially those three who seem to make it their life's mission to tear down this woman, whether she does good or bad. Everyone knows that Auntie Donna has contributed a lot to her community and to Jamaica overall. She's a philanthropist. She's helped people when no one else would. She's changed lives. That is not up for debate. But what exactly have Lorraine, Marcia, and Tina done?
Nothing
what have they done
all.
with their platforms other than bash someone who's clearly made a difference? Let's start with Lorraine Campbell. Lorraine has
Before you're going further, them done nothing at all. All they do is tear down the people them we are trying to do good. That's all they do. But all them claims that them do, like the Marcia and the Tina, all they say they have done in the past, there is no record of it. And the little, like with Tina, she feel like she have as record, because we don't see nothing much on record for Marcia. But the little with Tina says she has on record, she do it for her own personal gains. She are one of them do what she do for her personal gains, to achieve. You understand? She can take what she can take from it and give what she want to give to the people them where she collect the money for and collect whatsoever she come out come ask her. So that's all them do. Nothing.
Doubt. Completely. She doesn't do live streams like she used to. Why? Because Auntie Donna isn't giving her content to feed off anymore. Lorraine was surviving off every move Auntie Donna made. She had something to say every time Donna went live.
True.
Every time she gave away food. Every time she raised money.
Yeah, man, true, man.
Now that Auntie Donna is moving silently or taking a step back,
when
Lorraine doesn't know what to do with herself. So now she jumps on drama trends and does lives based on whatever she hears from Tina Chin or anyone else throwing shade.
Let me clear that up. When him say, now she jump on drama trends. Fishy in the drama trends, him attack. Louisha. When him said, Lorraine jump on drama trend because she not getting any form of content really, because Dana not give her nothing of such, because no charity not really a gone. Right? So she jump on the channel like Louisha them, where I do the same thing like everybody out there do. Where they over that side there. Be a memories, be a old time something. So just clear up that part there.
It's not content. That's desperation. Then there's Marcia Campbell. Marcia, let me speak directly to you. You need to calm down. You need to sit down. As a grown woman who presents herself as respectable, how are you okay with constantly putting out negativity and chaos online? You say you're about growth and empowerment.
I feel like you're wrong there, so do a DJ Real Talk. I have never seen Marcia present herself as respectable from me know her until now. She have never present herself as respectable from me know her until now. Me don't know about you still, but that's so me feel like you're wrong. Marcia always look like somebody being disrespectful. I have never seen Marcia present herself respectful. Never. But go on talk, my boss. You go on good.
Yet all you do is tear people down.
Right, if you know is a woman behind
You've
the page.
become a nuisance. Not just to Auntie Donna, but to the platform itself. People are tired. They're watching and shaking their heads. You're not helping yourself. You're not building anything. You're just loud. And then there's Tina Chin. Tina, why do you care what Auntie Donna is eating? Whether she's eating pears or deer or cured meats, why is that even your business? Why are you
Dancehall
so
bicycle.
obsessed? The woman has her own money. She can eat whatever she wants. You, on the other hand, are busy monitoring her plate while your own life is falling
Not
apart.
only her plate, she
Let's be
monitor her
real here.
ass
You're
too.
always accusing her of copying you. Copying what exactly? You haven't set any trends. You follow trends. You jump on bandwagons. So how is it possible for someone like Auntie Donna,
That's
who
true.
built her own lane, to copy someone like you who hasn't created anything lasting? Let's look at the track record. Everything you've started has failed. Everything you've attempted to build has crumbled.
Hold on. And when me say that, the last, as a matter of fact, only part we are saying, but I just what the end of the last video when me do with her, me said, everything this girl has tried in her life fail. What me explain? Let me go on the last video. See the last video when me do with her. Let me just look on the last video when me do with T-Girl. Phone I want charge to. The last video me do with T-Girl people. No hold on. Alright, the video when me post yesterday when me I say T-Dog come for Donna Ashanti 360. Me say the same thing. Tina don't do nothing and successful in her life. Nothing. Everything she try, everything where business is concerned, me go as far as saying the only little thing she might have where she can say successful and it is not successful. It's just that at the staple of everything where she try, at the little baking. Everything else she try in her life no work out. And then she make it feel, she seems like a people cause it, or people are tear her down, or people are bring her down when she do it for herself. You never know, say, certain things what you do in life turn out to haunt your woman. And there is nothing you can do in a life and be successful. All you do is hang on for dear life. You do so many things and fail, and just one little thing you just barely hang on for dear life. Because probably not your time yet. But the things that you do in life turn you into auntie in a life.
You start drama, you lose support. You try to launch something, it doesn't go anywhere. Nothing you put your hands to prospers. Meanwhile, everything Auntie Donna touches turns to gold.
But did have to
She has
highlight this
receipts.
video, yeah.
She
Did
has
have to highlight
results.
it.
She has people who can testify that their lives are better because of her.
So true.
That's impact.
Preach
That's
it, brother.
purpose.
Preach it.
So the comparison is not only disrespectful, it's delusional. You all keep
Me
coming
couldn't
online
bypass
day
this,
after day,
that
watching
video,
her
yeah,
like
people.
hawks,
That audio, yeah.
zooming in on her outfits,
DJ
her
Real
plates,
Talk. You can
her
go check him
home,
out on
her
YouTube.
donations. And for what? To find fault in someone who's clearly winning? Here's the hard truth. If Auntie Donna shuts down her platforms today, a lot of you lose your content tomorrow. Because without her, you have nothing to talk about. That's the difference between building something real and living off someone else's name. So instead of obsessing over her every move, maybe you should focus on building something of your own. Maybe you should stop trying to tear someone down just to stay relevant. Because real relevance comes from authenticity,
Simple as that.
from consistency, not from drama. It's time for the noise to stop. Tina, Marcia, Lorraine, the time you spend watching Auntie Donna, use it to reflect on yourselves. Use it to ask, what am I building that will outlast gossip? Because let me remind you, views may come and go, but legacy stays. And right now, only one woman in this story has a real legacy. DJ Real Talk, signing off.
Bless up yourself, brother. Me couldn't bypass these people. That's why I'm telling you to listen keenly. You can go check him out. As me said, me never know because that's not real. But I don't think that voice is the real voice. I think it, yeah. But if you don't want to go check out the page, if you don't like, want to see, you can go subscribe. The channel does the 753, I think. DJ Real Talk. Anyway, we are getting a one video, y'all. Yo, we are getting a one video with Marcia. I believe not the whole part chatting. I just make she chat and say what she has said. Anyway, me say it too though. Me don't know what Curly know about Ashanti and 13, you know. Me don't know. She have to come tell me. Me don't know as she say it or not me. But it come like she was the bed or the mattress or something, me don't know. But she know something what we might not know, so we are gonna make she come tell me. Alright? So we just stay tuned for Marcia. She come out swinging for 13, bruh. Me see over GT was me a scroll since day and see like him post something with 13 address Marcia. So it come like I hit Marcia come back out a counter. Me never really listen. Cause me just a scroll, and by scrolling me see it. The title. And when me look me see 13 face pan and Marcia face there on him thumbnail. So me I say when me buck up this video now, me I say I must after that make Marcia come back out. I try kick with 13 foot. Cause remember Marcia Karachi woman, you know. Yes man. So me no know, so make we listen what Marcia have to say. Listen Marcia. Pink Panther style shaggy, you know, and she don't know say she favor Pink Panther. Stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up, stand up. She favor Pink Panther. She favor the female version of Pink Panther.
And go up business. Yes, my dear. So now we get stuff later on. Yes, me just heading out of here. Yes, and the people ever call me after me alright. Of course me alright. June see me come out last night and them for no me alright. Me not giving them no bumbo clot.
She a left for dead for hungry. She not giving no content.
Let them go create one a blood clot bumbo pussy clot contents. Yes.
But how long she can do it because she herself are dead for hungry too.
They love to come out here and cuss people and them can't do it without massive helpless content. Me move them blood clot from here.
And no matter what, you sub the live, you not get no support. And if you don't sub the live or you don't do no live, you are gonna dead for hungry too. Me she come out but she's remember Master said she done with shit, you know, because she don't want nobody, she have to beg nobody for buy nothing. And when last this, but we know it's just chatting and yapping and capping. She preparing to sell sheet in the summer, you know. So she tell the people them to get ready for $100. Master say she make so much money out of her job and she comfortable and she okay and she now go buy unless our good people them call her and want she go shop for them. But she now come out here to come advertise nothing upon no platform to beg nobody to buy. Come now and advertise say sheet and curtain will soon be on sale again. Go you too. I tell you so when you come out here and cap too much and pretend to be who is not. Me could have never give away me know if at this me used to sell all when me make one money and feel like me have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 million dollar. And me still can't go and sell them and me I continue to sell them here. Because at least selling them upon a day to day and a week to week business, at least it give me a lean way where me now if you go in a little millions so me have me can use that, go do a different type of little investment and go and do them. I have to do me every day spending, you understand? And probably make up pay the little weekly or monthly bill them. Me nah dash for this. But them I claim to say them get big work where them earn thousands of dollars equivalent to millions in a Jamaican. So basically them no need to sell sheet again and them come out and come play big and cuss off people where I buy from them. Tell the people them say them no need them no more because them now have to come beg them for buy no sheet. And when last one hear me come out and come beg nobody for, but no you run back to it. I wonder how you smell. I don't think I wake and smell the coffee, you know. I know say at any given moment anything can happen with Harry, anything can happen and you lose the work without anything even happen to Harry. You understand? So I don't think of the coffee you wake up and smell, but you smell something coming, like you smell something coming what we don't know about. But it now go hide. It go and show. Because you can't hide nothing out of social media. And if you even try to hide it and pretend, we will find out. Because we know you like we hand back.
I am doing what me supposed to be doing, relaxing myself. If you don't want to see contents, no go over TikTok or watch contents. People over there, go TikTok or support the people over
like when we go over there, go see her.
Yes, my dear.
Post
So
her
to
video
all the
whole
people,
long.
alright.
I beg people buy
Alright
sheets
here,
same way.
Alright, so
Must about
I'm
25
going
somebody me
I'm
see.
going to leave work and all.
Like the
just
video.
come,
I must view
and
the
we're
video.
going to leave work. Yes.
All over TikTok she there. And you're a celebrity. Go over TikTok and look at my video there. All 60,000 views, 50, 30, 15. Sometimes some look at 3,000, 5,000, sometimes some video 400. I want to sound a celebrity, I mean nobody.
So me will see later on. So I just wait until it could be over and me a little bit and me head out of here.
All over
So
TikTok them
how
they
we
are
say
try
everybody
find
doing?
name and
Yes,
can't
me there. So
find
me
no
just put
name.
it alright.
Them post video they
Alright.
hardly I get
I'm in
views.
a prison. I just want to let you know people. You see all them people out here tell lie. He said a lying lips
It's
is
abomination.
abomination to the Lord. That's why we not so blood clot
That's why
ugly out
you're
here.
one for yourself.
Because that's especially the one Bumbo Clot 13. That's why you suffer. All you do come out here and tell lie on people. You look like ugly slut dog woman. That's all you do. That's why you and Shanti used to sleep together. You two, if Ashanti come down to your country, come
Head
lick out your
Pampilla.
dirty pussy hole.
Head Pampilla.
That's why two of
I wish you know that fam she was the bed.
So what make you not telling people
She was the
come all
mattress.
the way down a carousel, go lick out your nasty
Hey!
so foot. What make you not walk and talk rumors like that? Eh? What make you not talk that? What make you not talk and walk say it's a blood clot scam and a papa and a blood clot non-emancipated poor ass bitch ass negro woman? Eh? What make you not talk about that? What make you not talk about say you're so poor? You can't even buy toilet paper for wipe your blood clot dirty thinking ass. Eh? What make you not talk that? Eh? What make you come up here and trouble people who survive and look nice and pretty, honey? Eh? What make you not go down for your knee and pray for your sore foot get better? Are your lesion then we have in your blood clot body? Eh? Are your bumbo clot delusional lying self where you come on social media tell lie on people? Move fire so. On no dark shit to no go. Fire. And that me come for say. So people may be giving no contents later on. Yes. And anytime I want to come in my blood clot truck, any hours a night can do content, it's my truck because I'm pay for this pussy clot. And if roach and rat in this blood clot come take on a tongue and lick out this ras clot and name it. Because if it wasn't for YouTube, Facebook, and all there's a social media where you pay uno that name shit. Uno that name shit. So the time when they trouble me and I trouble Tina Chin, uno that go look something else to do. Because social media will be changing up very soon. You understand? So thank God wanna live to see the age you wanna live. So wanna know what time it is to come off of a little poor ass self, a little negro ass ugly self. And I like so wanna look good. Wanna come on social media and look like a dry shit. If me know say right now you don't want a wig right now, because this a wig cost $300. And you don't want it right now. You understand? So I'm just saying, you don't want that $300 right now if you put on this a blood clot wig here. And 2 more on this way coming. You understand? That's me over 2.
I say as me tell you in the video recently when I post. You see all of them bragging and them boasting where you are going with. We need you to do this. When you have some farm of monthly or weekly expense. When you have somewhere you know you have to pay rent for, they not go mortgage. Where you have to pay rent for on a weekly or a monthly basic. Light bill, water, internet. When you have that type of responsibility there, then you can come out here and do the same thing what you say you do you now and brag. Then we can say yes, you're on firm footing, you're on firm grounds. But not when all those expenses that are just peaked off is covered by the job what you're doing, because you're doing a living job where none of those expenses for that living job is not paid by you, nothing draw from your pay for it. No, you just work, sleep, eat, get your pay, and that's it. You don't pay for water, you don't pay for light, you don't pay for cleansing this, you don't pay for nothing at all. You don't pay for not even food, because you have the canteen there, unless you want to go buy other food. Then you can come out and come boast about $300 hairstyle. I mean, know that the wig done for 300. That the old shelly crappy looking sitting there will look trashy. And for $300. So stop come out here come tell lie. Mind the people I'm going to find that ear and come out here come expose you, you know. Because you know until you come out here come hike up the price of things, the people them you know encourage them to go search the price of it. and come out here come expose you. Then you come out here in defense now and say, oh, that's what them see it for. That is when it go on sale. I buy it when it was not on sale. And like you feel like you okay and fool with. Anytime you have the responsibility that we talk about, then you can boast on the money where you spend on a daily, weekly basis and all these ear, clothes and boots where you buy. Then we can say, yes, you're a big deal. That still make you a big deal, you know, but then now, we are going to say yes. We have to know how we are talk to you a certain way. But under the circumstances of you living free, you can't talk to nobody because the little salary you get, you take it and go spend it just to brag on people on social media.
It's not $1 I spent for already for 4 weeks. 2 more else is coming. A black one, and one net, and one straight here when I come. Yes. So we don't know see prettiness yet. Yes, my dear, because we never know some master can turn into a beautiful swan. Yes, my dear. Yes, my dear. Even may look like one ugly duckling.
I'm glad you just say turn into.
And take
Turk, you
anyone
know,
out
say,
a blood clot man any day. Me talk
you
about
know,
the one
good.
that don't have good up man. You know, me not talk about the poor ass one. Them, you know. Me don't want them there because they not talk with nothing. Them a prostitute. They walk around and sell front. So the time they did I worry about Sister Ever Blessed, who no go wash no dirty cunt, and go wash no dirty sore foot, and go stop tell walk and tell lie on people. Anything we know that social media spread. You know. And happy birthday to CJ. Happy birthday to CJ. Mommy for no more money.
Big hopeless American picnic. Big and hopeless like his mama. Eh? Big hopeless American picnic to Rasta John. I got end up hopeless like his mama. Cause you go America at a tender age and hopeless. And him born in America 26th birthday. And him have to beg you money if you go out. Eh? Him should not, but you give him 600 and him ask you 200, so 800. First it say 650. Now you come and say 600. And him beg you 200 more. So where the 50 gone? The 50 disappear. When I tell lies or tell. But when me I say the fact remain is him should not look for begging nothing more than just hope that his mother send him a present. Him should not beg no money if he go nowhere. Born American. So much opportunities. But them say it all in the genes. It all in the, yeah man, the vein.
And an only child, and pray for our children. You know, pray for our children. Yes, my dear, pray for our children. And it don't matter how them is, you talk to them, you counsel them, and you just pray for them and continue to sow seed in their life. Because when you think that God is not
you
working,
come out here and cuss
He's
people
working.
pitney.
There's a miracle in
You
this
come out here and
road.
cuss people pitney and you see it, you actually admit say your pitney is of no good. That's why you use the terms that we are using now. No matter who them be. You understand? Because you know say your pitney hopeless. You know say your pitney a problem. But you come out here because other people pitney we have future ahead of them. Other people pitney we are look for your future and look help. You say them figure a back road and figure do this and figure do that. You understand? And the same young miss where you say figure a back road when she reach out for help. People come on board and assist her. And it just come back to mind too, just before, just like how I get into this part. But make I go and say this. The same person where you say that to, you know, after getting her assistant and whatsoever, she a try to help herself now by selling little sweets, and you still have a problem with that. But it's when she da look the money, if you go do her law course, you say she figure a back road because she a strong-hearted girl. Why do you come out here and a question during the same time about this young miss? What about the program when she go up on a foreign? Where? Yeah, how much program I run? So where you know? Program I run a year pitney the America where band and can't go up on no farmer program. And so much program the America. But yeah, watch another woman pitney. This program, when these people go up on the program, is like a contract. So after the contract up and them time up, them come back down. And then they might call, people might call them back or them have to go up on a different program. The people them like how them work and whatsoever, they might request them back. Or they might have to go look different program. Probably in her case also, remember she's studying for becomes a lawyer. So she have her, when school in session, probably she can't use that time to go up. So like now, probably touching down to summer, I don't know how it go with like them as you student if them get holiday earlier than the norm. So she used that opportunity to go up now to do what she have to do and earn some money to help herself. She's still helping herself. But you have a question. Oh, she not gone, yes, so back and gone, this so back and with the money the way she get. And with it also where the girl get the money and come and go pay her school fee with her money where she accumulate. Plus she already said what they promise her is not what they give to her. Because it's like them did promise them a certain amount of hours. But when them go, them not getting that amount of hours that they were promised. So when they were expecting to work within the period of time, because of the less hours, them work less. And the young me show you how she do with her money or whatsoever. And then what concern that is to you? When you have your son born in America, you go America at a tender age, becomes an hopeless mother, and your son becomes the same hopeless mother. Just the same. See the girl gone up back there again now. Bet if she sit down at Jamaica and now do nothing at all and just stretch out her hand under still talk. But the girl has said her little sweets and a go around. Which this is the norm for most university students who not born from a rich family. It's the norm for them to have something a jug up on campus. Whether them live on the campus or them live outside of the campus is a norm. But it make it look like it was a big deal because she's a law student, so she shouldn't be selling sweetie. If I saw she earn for her own, what the hell? If you check the level of university student, as me say, when a born from a rich family, almost every one of them juggle something, and most of the sweets them normally juggle. So I don't know where they come out here and make a big thing about it, but anyway, the young miss is overseas again now doing her trading her applying her trade.
Oh, and he got my name
And
on
your
it.
son sit down and wait
Yes,
for
me
you
dear.
for birthday.
And all enough for this to
Gift
continue
and
to
no
worship
work.
God, lift him up.
In a
No
big,
matter
big
if you
America.
not cuss bad or not, because as long
American
as you not kill or not sin
citizen.
and put adultery, sin is sin. He said he without sin cast the first stone. Yes, my dear. And in a Bible,
But when
according to
you
back
oatless,
in the
you
days, them
oatless.
we never pet and powder and lotion, no blood clot, idiot.
When you oatless, you oatless, you know, people. Because when we look on it, you know. Me is a go-getter. My pitney them mother. She's a more calm, collective person. But she's a very ambitious person. And it just fall off from our pitney them. My kids is just August, November. The one that go November, she not November. November, October, I think October, late October, yeah. We go up October. She's the first one to enroll in the military. Looking to graduate sometime next month. The smaller one that go up in August of last year, she just gone off to basic training Wednesday. What I say? Just gone to basic training in the Navy with high marks. What I say? High marks. That the job what she want to do. Them said that job is not available now. And it's like, she said no, and them have to find space put her because them couldn't afford to lose somebody with high marks like she. Because it's like the mark would be like 63 or something like so for you to qualify, which is the low mark, and a 90 that she get. Gone after basic training Wednesday gone. And them not in America are here yet. and your son born in America, born there, and becomes hopeless just like you, we go there at a tender age. Chick na fall from black.
People, we are fight against white, we are fight against we God people. We lick them down with a stone, we cast them down in the pit of hell. You understand?
And them
so,
things there,
fight
and them
for the
reaction
rights.
that
I mean,
take
the
you.
Bible say a
You
Christian
come out
can't
and what
bust
tell
the
woman
rocks.
to
Bust them.
beat man and all them
If you have
something
to
there.
clock them in the head with a frying pan, clock your husband or your man if they put their hand by you. Clock them down. Yes, my dear. No sit down there and take no fussing and no fighting or whatever. Clock down their ass with a big frying pan. If you have to chop them, chop up their ass clock too. If them a chop up it too. And high front high. Don't sit down and
This
take
is
the
what
box,
you come
goof,
out here
goof,
to
goof. And if
motivate
them not
people
treat
to
you good,
do.
left them. Left them. Because
You just come and
Jesus
chat
will
because
love
you have nothing to
and
chat
shall
about.
love them. But nobody, and I said, you know, work on your children. Work on your children. Continue to pray. Because remember saying, no, we only care them in the world. Now we don't belong to we. You understand?
But you never
So
work
we
on
not
your
put it
picnic.
no fault for them
You
whatever.
dash him like
You
puss kitten
understand?
like how their
We
mama
give
give
them
like
what
puss
we can
kitten.
give
So
them.
nobody tell
But
tell
all
nobody
you
about
have to
work
do
on
is
nobody,
continue.
them picnic.
Take them all to Jesus.
You need to work on your own
Send
first.
them right over to Jesus.
Before you can
Yes,
tell
my dear.
people because you
But
don't have
I
no
tell you,
experience
man,
of
if
growing
your
a
man
child.
never do know anything or whatever, only they was take buff off. Clot them in the bubble clot head with a frying pan.
Right now you should have be a grandmother that having your grandchild like every weekend instead of work.
And sweet them up nice, you know, pepper that roast. Give them a good piece of sexy when them and give them a little
Yeah, we should influence people for do. And them say them a motivator. And listen to them and influence people for do.
Put me there and put a little chain pan it and like yeah, give them sex. And beat out them blood clot, me know. Pack up your two little something and left them pussy clot and go about the business. Make sure so no go rent one little apartment for you know far in a different state, you know. That's the one we come off of far. Seek one little job up, send no resume, you go one that little town. Left them bumble clock, even if you have to left it to drive with pick them. Left them game. If you want make more money, left them. Left them man. And go and go settle yourself. Yes. Go and go settle yourself. And if them are going to bun, give them back blood clot. Yes, me dear. Bun out them brass, bun for bun. As long as you don't have the bumble clock ring by your finger, bun them. And when song say, when Macadam man sing a song there, yes man, bun them.
I only saw an influencer.
No make no full ras commitment to the man to put a ras ring by your finger. Anytime them are going to bun them. Give them bun, cheese and crackers. I do a bread, mackerel and chicken back and fried chicken, bun and roast. Yes, my dear. Bun out them bubble clot. That's what I said. Bun them. Yes. Bun. Yes, fry your ears and make you bun them back. Yes. Cause you might have think say little something must be sweeter, I know. Somebody out there sweeter. Yes, my dear. Yes, my dear. When you think say them and them have a big piece of anaconda, some of them have one big piece of anaconda and then can ras use it. So it don't make no sense. So if them are beat, you know, burn them.
But like you with Oatmeal and Anaconda can't help you.
You know, nice them. Get to the little apartment. If I
It's a front end loader you want.
Yes, my dear. Lucy, one little job.
That you want a front end loader, Anaconda can't help you.
Listen, even I abuse me and I beat me time up on the bed and give him 2 hours like in the head cup. Make sure say you not sit to support. Make sure you not sit to support. You know what? Marcia gone. Let me go finish up my little dinner now. And I will see you now when time I'm driving home. Yes, my dear, I will see you now. Yes, but I big up yourself, but all the people who text me on WhatsApp and whatever and messenger. Me alright. But I choose not to come out at night time because they see me not come out to Facebook boring. Did they wait for contents and I wait for contents and they say they hate me. Go and suck on a blood clot, mother. I am not putting up
big deal if you don't come out here with dead for hungry, yes.
You never know certain things on social media.
Who you too?
It is good to read. People, you can make money on social media without coming and cussing and fighting. Whole heap of things out of it, but me not attack.
And you still come out and come do the same thing.
Search through social media, search through something.
You find the way of making money without come out here, come cuss and all kind of stuff. But hear you.
Search, go learn to pussy clock read, and go make them content creating and go create them all kind of something. But me not talk. But anyway, big up on yourself. I'm gonna see if I can get some sheets. Yes, I'm gonna see if I can get some sheets next month when it start. I'm gonna start selling back my sheets. So come and get no sheets them. Yes, I'm gonna have a thing for $100. Yes, 4 for 100.
I wonder
yes,
something that go on we don't know
also,
about.
We don't know about no curtain special order, but I'm gonna have some.
I wonder
things,
something that they make it we don't know
and
about.
if you don't want to order wigs, yes, we if you can have access
I wonder
to
if
wigs,
the boss tell us to
you
show
can
have
get
2
the
or
wigs
1
them,
more
and
month
of
left.
course, I can buy the wigs them and resell them for the
Me
money.
don't know. Because I said because based on what she said she not sell no more sheet. Because she don't want to fear around behind the body.
Some wigs, yes, my dear, and sell them back. Yes, my dear. So, big up on yourself. I may say big up yourself, Freddy. Yes, and make sure say una drink responsible, act responsible, and make sure say una continue to wear no condemnation. Wearing a condemnation, the AIDS virus are back in full force. I don't know what is going on. All of a sudden, people start talking about HIV. I thought they did find cure for HIV. So we don't know promiscuity or whatever I want to call it. I don't know what the word.
So you have to go slow down now if you on top taking man here, there, everywhere. I don't know, hope you take it and slow down, you know. Because every minute you change, man, and then come out and say, we just 1 or 2 years, and we just know everything 1 week.
I don't know how the word pronounced that, promiscuous or whatever. Be careful of who not giving a crutch to. And make sure say, no matter how sweet the man is and when it look good and big, make sure say una put on a condom. Put on a condom. Condom is not 100% proof, but put on a condom and save on a crutch. You understand? Save on a crutchy because the old people them and all kind of people them out there right now, they are doing all kind of stuff. All kind of things right
like
now.
yourself, because you're holding up.
People and everybody. So they might catch it too. So
yes,
make
man.
sure
You're one of them. Remember you're up in a age, you're 60 a year old, you know, so you're old too. So make sure you involve yourself, because you do all heap of things, because you walk and take all kind of man. And most of them, your man, you son like dirty man with the people, them say you take up. Homeless people, man who do gardening, and all them sitting there. And them man, they liable for mix up, because if woman in a coal, in America, and see lumber, and lumber can achieve easily, them are going to achieve the lumber easily, because them want lumber for put in them fireplace. And if it possible for that, this man here just a grow now, woman just a, and you then come take him up as an old woman, you know, because you say, remember, all old people are doing it, and you're old. So you might find yourself in the same category. So you need to tell yourself where you come out here and tell the people. But the thing is, you know, you and Tina always want the best to others and don't want the same for yourself.
So you must put on yourself and love on yourself more, and don't allow a man to use you know, and abuse your body and say they love you. Don't try to please them. That is not your soulmate. They must have respect for your body. Who bring 4 children. Because everybody can bring 4 children. You understand? And your body
like
is the temple
barely
of
escape.
Jesus. Our body is the temple of Jesus Christ, something like that. So make sure.
Just like how you barely escape having getting children.
They want to go and do those type of sex. That means your crutch done. If you're going to come in and know when you're talking, some quote and Mr. Roll. If you have a pussy,
I feel like you're a content creator.
A man is
Can't
going
you
to
come
go
out here
both
and chat
ways.
me
That
a
means
crap.
I'm a feeling for man, and that means if you're going to go both ways to satisfy him, that means your crutch done.
So all you want man to go on and need your big old what space for you have with them in.
You need psychological evaluation. I don't know why who I'm talking to, but it's a subject I come up in my said. I don't know why, but you know man.
You are come out here and say no woman must make no man make them do these things to them. Make them have to do things to them, because if the man make them do these things to them, that simply mean then catchy no good. So all you want a man to put them head on a your catchy where really no good, your working space where you have. So all you preach one way for your side, but at the same time you preach another way for your next person's side. If you condemn the thing, you just condemn it. But you can't want it for you. But at the same time you say a woman must do it back. But you want a man to do it to you. And look at you, you want a man to put them head underneath you. Eh? Look for you, want a man to put them head underneath you. The way me see underneath your chaka when that they phone the job, that just look on the site alone, me could have never want to about me I could even enter to put head underneath you to rot it. Me so glad me so easy to turn off and stomach so easy to sick.
Yes, your woman put that thing. Somebody must sit on the page. Them don't love you. They are abusers. They are manipulators. You know, they are controllers. And they don't know themselves. They are perverts. And make sure, say, we want to help to look for those children in Jamaica. Yes, pray for Jamaican children, mothers. Give an eye on your children. Make sure, say, they're all right. Somebody gets sick ambulance there. Yes,
and you now go looking for Harry.
Sure that if you have
ambulance come to your workplace, say in your car, you will come up and look and see if everything alright. Anyway, people, let's up on yourself. Stay safe for the rest of the Saturday. Going into the Sunday. Get some rest who can get some rest. Cause remember, new work week. Come Monday, we know say Monday the day we hard for we go for get up for go to work. Especially when we work Monday to Friday and get the Saturday Sunday off. And we can tell because they fall in the category. Plus when me I go to school, when we come home on Friday and the Saturday, no say me not have to wake up the Saturday and not have to wake up the early morning the Sunday. You know, because no school now keep when school for wake up back Monday morning. Jesus peace, I one of the hardest thing to do. And the same thing where the workforce is concerned. So me know it go. So just get enough rest. And remember not eat too much rice and peas Sunday night. Going into Monday morning, make you can't wake up. And remember now, Monday morning, don't carry no Sunday, Monday go to work for no lunch or eat it for no breakfast. Because nigga right is going to take on up on the people them job. Eat the Sunday, Monday when you come home. Monday evening. So you have enough time to eat, hold licorice, then you go hold a shower, then you go in your bed, go sleep, and you sleep off that Tuesday morning, you wake up fresh. Alright? Bless up on yourself, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads and continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. Follow up on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. And remember, go support the merge on the website. We have 30 ounce and 40 ounce cup. Stainless steel, real stainless steel, not the one where you left with water and it is rusty. So long me I show this and looking at it. I chew ice and water and then I want to hold it down. You understand? And you get it in different shapes. You get it with angle if you want it with angle or without angle. You can get it with the color where you want. We have water bottles over there for the gym goers. We have wine glass made from the same stainless steel. We have teacups. You know, we have a lot of things over there. We have the cocoa melon water bottle for the kids. You know, cocoa melon is one of the top thing right now. We have some nice bracelet over there. Come on, just go check out the website of Charms and Trends. T-shirts are over there. Speak to My Life is a Mission. Caps are over there. Just go support the merch. Bless upon yourself. Charms and Trend. .shop. The website pin in the comment section. Just hit the blue writing and the website will pop up. Alright, I want to know how to use website. Any difficulties, just contact me. 876-221-9789. Alright, bless up.